In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the marketplace notifications. Let's see that you have placed a listing there, or you have shown interest in a couple of products in the marketplace, and you did a couple of inquiries, but after that you start receiving a lot of notifications. So I'm going to show you how we can either turn that on or turn that off. So what we need to do is just click on the top right hand corner on the profile icon. Click on that and click on settings and privacy and click on settings. From here on the left hand side, we see this preferences option where we will click on the notifications, and we need to find marketplace option here. This is marketplace. We need to turn this off, allow notifications on Facebook. This will turn this off, and you can also toggle off each of them individually. Also, if you want to enable it, you will toggle that on, and that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.